Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to make half double crochet, but before starting our tutorial I will request you to subscribe my channel and hit the red button and bell icon as well, and if you like my video, just like it and share with your friends. So let's get started. In this tutorial I'm taking the same DK yarn and same crochet hook, 4mm crochet hook, but in this tutorial I'm taking 4mm crochet hook and DK yarn, and I'm going to teach you how to do half double crochet. And here again make a circle. From under the circle we will grab the loop like this, and by inserting our crochet hook in this loop I will make it tight as my desired circle. Not make it very tight, not make it very loose. So starting by chaining, this time I will chain 12. You can take 10 as well, but just for the difference I'm going to take 12 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And now I'm not going to take any extra chains. Just I will start from the third chain from the hook, and for this we will do grab the yarn around the hook. From third chain from the hook I will insert my hook into the third chain, grab a yarn. We have 3 loops on our hook. Grab the yarn and pull through all 3 loops like this. This is called half double crochet. Again, grab the yarn around the crochet hook, insert the hook into the next chain, grab the yarn. We are having 3 loops on our crochet hook. Grab the yarn and pull through all 3 loops. This is called again half double crochet. One more time, grab the yarn around the hook, insert the hook next available chain, grab the yarn. We have 3 loops on our hook. Grab the yarn and pull through all 3 loops. Grab the yarn around the hook, take the hook, insert a hook into the next chain, grab the yarn. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Grab the yarn and pull through all 3 loops. You make half double crochet. At the end of the row we will meet you end of the row. Now we have made all half double crochet, and now again we have to make 1 extra chain and turn. We will do the same thing here. Grab the yarn around the crochet hook, and from the very beginning chain we will insert the chain, grab the yarn from this loop, and we have 3 loops on the crochet hook. Grab the yarn and pull through all 3 loops like this. One more time, grab the yarn, insert a crochet hook into the next chain, grab the yarn and pull through all these 3 loops like this. Grab the yarn, insert our crochet hook into the next chain, grab the yarn. We have 3 loops on the hook. Grab the yarn and pull through all 3 loops. One more time, grab the yarn around the hook, insert the hook into the chain, next chain, grab the yarn. We have 3 loops on the hook. Grab the yarn and pull through all 3 loops. And now you can continue the same thing until the end of the row and take 1 chain and turn and repeat same thing and make your desired length, where you can learn how to make half double crochet easily. So where you miss something, you can go back and watch this video again, and you can learn how to make half double crochet. I have made few extra rows for half double crochet. You can see this is very smooth corners here, just where we start making 2 chains. This is little bit small lump come out, but other than that it is very nice. So hope you enjoy this tutorial, and now you can make your desired length of rows, desired chains, and with this stitch you can make your scarves and your hats. It's very easy to make, and you can within a 1 day you can make your scarf. You just need to make extra chains. Here we have made 12 chain. You can make 10 chains or 20 chains according to your length, and you just need to reverse 1 row, half double crochet, chain 1, turn, half double crochet, chain 1, turn. Just making turns, you can make your desired very beginning project of your own scarf. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you like it, you just thumb up and share it with your friends. Until then, take care of yourself and remember me in your prayers. I will meet you in my next tutorial. Until then, bye bye.